everybody who has been asking how the heck I got Black Panther up there, this is how. Dude, they show them everything. Show them how different your house looks.
Lots of messiness everywhere.
Mm-hmm. Now, y'all pray for me. I hope I don't fall off this.
Please don't fall.
Huh?
Say, please don't fall.
Dude, this was hard getting this up there. It was real hard.
I feel like all you gotta do is knock it down.
It's simple. It's harder than what you think. You gotta reach.
I love it.
Bro, this is hard.
Babe, just grab it by the end. Just pull it down.
How am I grab it by the end?
By the foot.
How am I reach the foot? Dang, this shit dirty as fuck up here.
Yeah.
There we go.
Oh, Lord. Do you have it? Oh, you brought him down. Dun, dun, dun.
Oh, shit.
Don't fall. This would have been on the vlog too, so don't fall.
Look at my hand. Dirty as hell up there.
Black Panther is taller than you.
Mm-hmm. Damn. Y'all, the crib is starting to look hella empty. I don't know how we're gonna fit all these boxes into the whip. No lie, guys. Today I'm having a very stressful day. Is it gonna fit? Nah. You're probably gonna have to come over here. I don't know what I'm about to do. Maury, I need help. This right here is probably the hardest thing I've ever done in my life. Man, oh man. I don't know how we finna do this. Is that easy to, bro, we didn't even put it in that way.
I know, we threw it over, but we're gonna need to get one of them out. You see what I'm saying?
Do I need to push from the other side?
Nah, like.
Shit, let me try that motherfucker. It's a little tougher than I thought. I honestly feel like this task right here is impossible because we got it in, but can't get it out. Like, what the fuck? Yeah, bro, this shit is dead. Sure as hell messed up my interior. Angles are everything. Don't let these girls confuse you on Instagram with their angles because this is literally the same damn thing. Fuck, nigga.
Might have to twist it like yeah, in the rectangle, cause you had the other box, right? You see what I'm saying? Like you had the other box turned this way, like.
I'm about to give Candace a shot, nigga. Okay. Y'all, when I tell y'all this shipping this crap is expensive, boy. I wish y'all could understand, bro. Bro, I gotta put boxes into another box. No cap. They hit my shit. They hit it. They hit it.
Where is your damage? Where is your damage? Where is your damage? Where is your damage? Where is your damage?
You see this little scratch right here? You see this little scratch right here?
Oh yeah, I saw that one. I tapped this one. Okay.
I ain't gonna go crazy on it though. I mean, shit, your mans was just giving me a hard time.
Oh, yes, fine.
Nah, your mans is giving me a hard ass time. Y'all need to learn how to drive.
Where is your damage?
Nah, no, don't worry about it.
Where is your damage?
You good. You good. Just y'all got to go back to the DMV.
Where is your damage?
That's it. It's an interesting vlog. Bro, I was pulled over on the side and she whacked. I was pulled over on the side and she whacked my her damn thing, hit my shit. I should have turned up on the ass, Aaron. I should have turned up. All right, y'all, I get a lot of comments in the vlog about, you know, Ty, we love the freestyles in the vlog. So I'm gonna try to make sure every video from here on out, you know, I give y'all what y'all want. And if y'all want a freestyle, whether it's gas or ass, I'm gonna do it, straight up. So here we go. Wish me luck. Comment a prayer hand emoji for good luck for TyTheGuy, because no lie, I might need it. Need some buffalo dip. My girl made me some buffalo dip. And we got some Tostitas. Yeah. Hey. Okay. Yeah. I got a Tostita. I don't do no Doritos. I'm getting my cheese like Cheetos. Bad bitch eating finito. I'm smoking gelato. This cookie is right out the pack. TyTheGuy nigga with the bucket hat. It's over there. TyTheGuy, man, my diamond clear. Look at me, nigga, my angel clear. Olive Garden angel hair. Spaghetti with the lobster. TyTheGuy is a roster. Smoking gas like a roster. I don't eat no damn pasta, but I ball like I hit the lotto. Hold on. Maybe that didn't make no damn sense. TyTheGuy, man, cut down on the rent. Move to the A, you know I'm the shit. Yeah. Hey, TyTheGuy ain't no motherfucking pimp. But no lie with my bit, I'm a motherfucking little big simp. Hey, riding the motherfucking beat. TyTheGuy spit that heat. Ballin' like a damn Lakers. Nigga, I'ma beat the heat. Hey, look at my seat. It's that gamer shit. I just shipped my shit. That nigga still pissed. Hey, but I need to ship that shit to the A. TyTheGuy nigga in my new fucking state. Yeah, hey, my brand new estate. Riding around in the motherfucking lake. On a damn boat in the motherfucking lake. Shot a big frosty crib with a lake. TyTheGuy nigga, I was born to be great. Ain't got time for no hating ass nigga, no lame ass nigga with the fake ass shit. TyTheGuy be walking around with a motherfucking stick. Might just let a bit blick.
Hey yo, what it do? YB in the building with Drop Boys, you know what we do.
Drop Boys!
Just trying to get that shout out.
Hey,
You know what I'm saying? In the building, dog. Get out here, dog. Wow. Toothpick came out the mouth on that one, yo. We go, Jen. First of all, I'm gonna get a shout out to my little brother. He's in the building. He's in the building right there.
I get a shout out to my big brother. I don't know where he at right now.
B-Raw, dog.
B-Raw.
We need you, dog. You my homeboy, dog.
I want to give a shout out to my whole team.
Hey, dog, you ain't got to
dog.
Matter of fact, give a shout out to TLG. I
give a
called
shout out to EOD.
Def, dog.
EOD.
Dante Dixon, Nick Dixon,
Jay,
YB,
Jay.
Mr. Bacon, Jay Manning. You know what we do. You know we in the building, dog.
Casey.
We some stars,
Casey.
dog. Some stars. Casey.
Curls in the hair.
Asian sensation. Hey, dog.
Hey, let me show him.
But you know how we do.